Super Bowl 57. Some people come for the football. Some come for the commercials.
Yo, these are the bomb!
And they're air popped, not fried.
Popcorners. You're an artist.
Actually, Jesse, it's just basic ingredients. No, we don't eat our own supply.
Mr. White!
Jesse.
Everyone's gonna want to taste. And I know just the guy to talk to.
What are these?
We call them popcorners.
Say their name. Popcorners!
Tape! Yeah! How much of this stuff do you have? We've got 6 signature flavors, yo.
7! You make 7!
7.
7 works.
Yeah.
But everyone comes for the food. Six super ideas for the Super Bowl party. Let's go. Can't get enough of Reese's peanut butter cup. And if you like monkey bread, then you're gonna love this monkey bread because it's stuffed full of Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm talking about Reese's peanut butter cup monkey bread. Let's go. Start out with 2 cans of jumbo biscuits. Take each biscuit and we're gonna cut it in half. Half of that biscuit and kind of flatten it out. Grab a Reese's mini peanut butter cup, put it in the middle and wrap the dough around it. Squeeze it together and into a greased bun pan. And that's what it's going to look like. Take a half a cup of melted butter and add to it a half a cup of brown sugar and whisk that together. And now we're going to drizzle that over Flavor Flex peanut butter buttercream that I thinned out with a little bit of milk, and we're going to drizzle that on top. Peanut butter cups chopped up on top. Wow. If there's anything better than that, I ain't had it. Wow, you just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! You having a Super Bowl party? Then you gotta make something cool. How about a Super Bowl Sour Patch Kid cookies, Rams versus Bengals? Let's go. We're gonna start off by making Flavor Flex gumdrop cookie recipe. It's on the channel. Shape a large tablespoon full into about a golf ball size. Dip a fork into some milk and press down. Start with the Bengals. Get some orange Sour Patch Kids and push them down in. Another one. Time for the Rams. Looking cool already. Into a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. Crunchy, chewy, and so delicious. I'm gonna give each one a try. Whichever one tastes better is gonna win the Super Bowl. First the Bengals. And now the Rams. The Rams are going to win the Super Bowl. It's blue raspberry all the way, baby. Here we go. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! Super Bowl weekend, let's make something great. Super easy, super delicious Super Bowl soft pretzel knots. Let's go. You're going to take a can of Grand's biscuits. Take one of the biscuits and cut it in half. Roll that out. Shape it into a pretzel knot, something like that. Into 2 quarts of boiling water, we're putting in a 1/4 cup of baking soda. And we're gonna drop our knots. About 30 seconds. You'll start to see them float to the top. Scoop them out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Now we're gonna brush them with some beaten egg. And sprinkle with some coarse sea salt. And then into the oven, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Woo! Would you look at those out of the oven? A little bit of cheese dipping sauce. Give them a try. Soft, so delicious, so chewy. Oh, you're gonna love these. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! You're having a game night, card night, movie night. Then you want to make some delicious snack. Grab your Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnados, because I'm going to show you how to make some Cinnamon Toast Crunch pretzels. Let's go. We're going to take 4 cups of these mini pretzels. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Stir that to coat each pretzel. Now we're going to sprinkle in some of our Cinnamon Toast Crunch cinnamon sugar, or you can mix up your own cinnamon sugar and sprinkle that in until each one has a good coating of the cinnamon sugar. Now out onto a baking pan, spread them to an even layer. Now into an oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and get them on a plate. Now let's give these delicious pretzels a try. Yeah, those are good. Game night, movie night, you gotta make these. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! Funeral sandwiches, Pittsburgh, Wentworth, Hammy, Sammy's, let's go. 10 over medium heat, 1 stick or 8 ounces of butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of minced dry onion. Stir and bring to a boil. Once that reaches a boil, turn that way down to low, and let's build the sandwiches. We're gonna start with a package of King's Hawaiian sweet rolls, cutting them in half, put them in a baking dish. Now take the sauce we just made and drizzle half of it over the rolls. Now a square with cheese, idly chip-chopped ham, very, very thinly sliced ham, some on each roll. Now a second drizzle of the sauce. And now on with the tops. And now you're going to brush on 1 tablespoon of melted butter with a teaspoon of poppy seeds into a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! It's the weekend and everybody's still in bed sleeping, and you want to make them a great breakfast. Because what you really want is them to help you clean the garage out later. So this better be an extra special breakfast. You want me to show you how to make cinnamon churro waffles. Make sure that garage is really cleaned out. Let's go. And then let's get it onto our churro waffle. Don't these just look and smell pretty amazing? I'm gonna give this a try. I've been waiting for this for a while now. Let's go. Crispy on the outside. Those are so good. A churro in the form of a Belgian waffle. Not only are they going to help you clean out the garage, they're going to help you clean out the basement and wash your car too. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!